Greetings, Earthlings. I know it's been a while since I posted, and I know in my last video I said I would no longer be doing TJ Maxx and Marshall's makeup hauls. Well, here I am today with a TJ Maxx makeup haul. I was busy. I bought a house. That's where I am now. I'm nowhere near done like decorating and putting everything where it belongs, so I really don't know where I'm gonna be filming yet. But as for right now, we are sitting here. Let's go ahead and get started because there's some stuff that I bought a really long time ago before I stopped buying stuff. So I'll start with those and I'll try to list the prices everything was at the time that I bought it, because some of this stuff I bought like 2 months ago, some of it I bought like 3 weeks ago, and then some stuff I bought today. So the prices may have varied since I looked them up, but these will be the prices that they currently were online when I bought them. So first I have two little things from Nars. I finally threw away the packages, so I don't necessarily remember how much they cost, but I want to say that, anyway, I want to say that this was like $16.99 and this smaller one was like $12.99. But this bigger one that we have here, this is Laguna by Nars, but this isn't like the regular one. It's like diffused something. It doesn't say it on the compact itself, but it said it on the box where it's like a lighter wash of color. And I used it one time. I mean, it was okay. I had looked up reviews and no one really liked it. They said there wasn't any color payoff, and I think it's because it's a diffused formula. And then we have this highlighter in Albatross, which kind of just like looks like a plain white powder, but it's kind of like a yellowy highlight. I think I wore it one time. I had these items sitting on my desk for a very, very, very long time waiting to be in a video. And by the way, I want to apologize for my nails. I destroyed them. I peeled them to smithereens and they need to be painted. One more thing that I found during that haul forever ago was this Marc Jacobs Dew Drops. These are in Fantasy. This was $44 at the time that I bought it, and I paid $14.99. This smells bad. Like, I don't know if it's the coconut in it, because it's a coconut gel something or other, but it doesn't smell great. Let's see. I feel like so much comes out with one little pump. Do you see that? And it's a little dark for me for a highlight. So I haven't worn it, and I probably won't. And I think it might be bad, so I need a napkin. I never have napkins with me, or makeup remover wipes. Why do I do this to myself? I don't understand. So those three items I purchased a long time ago. Now let's move on to what I bought a couple weeks ago, and these things I've been super, super excited about. First of all, I got the Anastasia Beverlyhills Moonchild Glow Kit. I wanted this literally since it came out, and then ShanXO posted like the most amazing opal makeup look, and I wanted it so bad, but for some reason I would not buy it from the Anastasia Beverlyhills website. They didn't have it on Ulta or Sephora, and then they came out with the Aurora Glow Kit, which I did buy from Ulta. And then a little bit after that, Ulta started selling this, and then I was like, well, I don't want both. And then the Aurora Glow Kit ended up all over TJ Maxx and Marshall's. Well, finally, the Moonchild showed up too. So I got it for $19.99. At the time, this was still available on Ulta for $40. These are all so pretty. I wore Pink Heart today, by the way. If it looks a little dark in here, it's because where I have my camera set up right now, there's not a close enough outlet for my ring light, so I'm just trying to use a little bit of natural light, and it's currently like 4:30 in the afternoon on a rainy day. But it has Blue Ice, Starr, Purple Horseshoe. We'll go ahead and swatch these down here. That's Purple Horseshoe, that's Starr, that's Blue Ice. Oh gosh, they're so pretty. Then we have the one that I'm wearing today, Pink Heart, Lucky Clover, and Blue Moon. So we have Pink Heart, Lucky Clover, and Blue Moon. Are those not just like the prettiest things you've ever seen? Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. So pretty. Now I did get another highlight, which would be highlight product number 3. This is the Too Faced Tutti Fruity Frosted Fruits Highlighter Stick in Pink Lemonade. This I paid $10.99 for, and at the time it was still available on Ulta for the full price of $30. I never use highlighter sticks, so I don't know why I got this. They also had a pinkier one there. I forget which one it was. It was like strawberry maybe, but it was really kind of dark. But this smells really good. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. Let's swatch it. It has, I don't know, it's kind of like, it's almost a little bit orangey. You can't really see it on camera because I don't have a lot of light, but I don't see myself wearing it. It smells good though. It smells better than the Marc Jacobs one. Oh, that's right, that was a highlighter too, so I guess I got 4 highlighter products. I did get another bronzer. This one is by MAC. This is the Patrick Starr bronzer in Hot and Heavy. I paid $14.99 for this. I used it today for the first time. It's a little bit light on me. It wasn't very bronzy, and it was a little bit sheeny too. And I have like the worst skin texture, and I only use a little bit of it, and then I use some Chocolate Soleil matte bronzer just to not have to use so much of this. It's okay. I mean, I don't know. Like I said, it's a little light, and it's a little sheeny. Can you even see it? I used to think that I liked sheeny, shimmery bronzers, but I just don't get it. Now, one of the last things I got, I found this, another Too Faced product. I have the Too Faced, they put the sticker right on the label, but it's like the Born This Way concealer. Naturally Radiant Concealer. This is in the shade Cool Medium. I wasn't sure if it would be more of an under eye color or a color correcting color, but I used it under my eyes today. It's okay. It doesn't like brighten or anything, but it has good coverage. It's a little like the undertone. I don't like the undertone, but I only paid $8.99 for this, and at the time it was still available on the Sephora and Ulta websites for like $28, so that's a good discount. And then some more Too Faced products. I found a handful of the melted liquefied lipsticks. This one is in the shade Sugar, which looks like a quite muted nude color. Do I have any space? I'll do it on my right hand, so this should be interesting. Just a pretty simple, very wearable shade. I love how these smell. They smell like sweet tots. Then we also have the shade Fig, which I wore earlier today before I put on what I'm currently wearing. It's a really pretty purpley, mauvey, dusty color. Actually, it's more berry, but it's still pretty. These are really opaque and comfortable, and like I said, they smell good. And then today I picked up this one in Melted Ruby, which is a red color. Haven't swatched it yet. It's very red, very red. And if I seem a little weird, it's because I do not feel well. And I also got Chocolate Honey, which is what I am wearing right now. I wouldn't say that it is, you know, the best shade for me, but it's okay. Wow, I'm doing amazing swatching these because I'm swatching with my left hand. But it is a pretty color. It's not like really brown. It's browny, but not really brown. You know what I mean? And then today I also picked this up. This is by Korres, a Pomegranate Mattifying Primer. I paid $9.99 for this. Oh, by the way, these lipsticks I paid $5.99 for, And there were only a couple shades left online, and they were for $21. I'm guessing they're being discontinued. But this is a Pomegranate Mattifying Primer by Korres. I looked on Sephora, I couldn't find it. Other than that, I didn't do much else by way of trying to find it online. Okay, good. It's unopened. I didn't check that in the store, but I will give this a go maybe tomorrow. My skin's been super finicky, like dry in some spots, oily in some spots, and it's honestly just like I cannot win. Now, I got this by Philosophy, and I've talked about their body wash, shampoo, bubble bath things so many times. This one is in pumpkin icing, and it is perfect because it's September now. So I don't know if you know what that means. It means it's fall. It's here. It's fall. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, I already started decorating for Halloween. Here in Florida, like, honestly, we don't experience seasons. So if I want to pretend that it's fall now, it's going to be fall now. It's hot out, but it's fall. Now, that's all of the makeup and beauty things that I have purchased, but I do have a few more goodies that I would like to share, including... You know what, just hang on. I'm gonna go wipe all this off before I get it on what I'm about to show you. So the only other TJ Maxx purchase I made was another pair of Michael Kors sneakers. I think this is pair number 7. I primarily get ones like this to wear to work because I can only wear black and white shoes, and might as well make them fancy. These were only $40. I also have these where the MKs are navy blue. The last 2 things I'm about to show you are actually from Belle's Outlet, which is another discount store that I frequent. And if you know anything about me, you know that I collect Betsy Johnson purses. And I got these 2 bad boys. This one is candy corn. Oh my gosh. I have a couple of Christmas bags, a lot of summer bags. I don't have any Halloween bags. So this is my Halloween bag now. This was $30, I think, at Belle's Outlet. And then I got this one. It's a pumpkin spice latte. Oh my gosh, I wanted this for so long. Oh, it's so detailed. As you can see, it's a little stretched out because my wallet doesn't fit in it very well. It's a little small, but it's so cute. Okay, well, that is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel. Please. Okay, have a good day and bye.